Do you ever look at the world around you and think, they don't make them like they used to? Well, we make them like they used to, and we fix them like they used to. Come to Mumford Restoration's Craftsman Showcase and see that old-world craftsmanship is alive and well in the modern age. Mumford Restoration knows what great materials and a talented artisan can produce. Our craftspeople can tell you that even the most mundane vintage piece is a masterpiece of form and function. From vintage radios and refrigerators to centuries-old mahogany buffets, we've preserved and restored nearly anything you can imagine. We are proud to be keeping North Carolina craftsmanship alive and well. Whether you're a museum curator, interior decorator, preservationist, or a collector, we can show you how our artisans can bring a piece back from the brink, or just maintain its character and patina.